Hello everybody, today is a beautiful day and look at beautiful sage I got over here. Look how many. And today we make fried sage. And I want to show everybody that the fried sage, it's come nice crispy. And I got all the sage I did it before and I got it home, and what I did, I was washed really good and I put cold water with ice. And now we go inside and I want to show everybody. Look at my garden over here. Look how beautiful, nice. Everything look good in the garden. Thank you. Let's go inside. Okay. Now this is the sage. Like I said before, I cut it and I wash, cold water, and I also put ice. Now, this is the sage I gotta fry. What I did, I was dry really good. Like this, gotta be no water. Look how nice and dry it is, the sage. Now, over here, in Italy, we call it pastella. And we do the pastella. And I got the beer. Oh, birra peroni nastro azzurro. All right, okay. And we put the beer right on this bowl. I don't use all I got more beer anyway, but after what I gotta do with this, I want to do little salute cincino with a little drop of the beer over there. Now, let's do like this. But when you do, make sure there not be too much flour each time. It gotta be nice, smooth. And we do the flour a little bit at a time. And make sure they not be not too thick, the flour with the pastella. A little bit more. I hope I got enough flour, but still I got flour anyway. The flour, I'm not missing the flour. I use all, let me see. Oh, still I need a little flour, but it's okay. I got the flour right over here in my business. Okay.
So what are these? Almost like potato chips or something?
Yeah, it comes so crispy when you eat it with a nice beer or wine, what you like. It's really good.
So you want it to be like a little thicker?
Yeah, a little bit more thick, not too much. Because it's too much, it's not come out too good. You got too much flour. But now, because you want to see the sage, because you put too much flour, you don't see the sage. Okay, now this, it's enough. It's it. Okay, now what I do, I need a little salt, a drop of salt, not too much. Okay, that's it. All right, now what I do, we go on the stove and we put the sage over here, and we gotta find out now the oil sits out. I usually check the oil like this with a stick. Almost, you see, start to bubble a little bit. But almost it's ready.
Well, what oil are you using?
This is look, avocado oil. It's the oil I use. This is really good. Okay, let's see on the other side. Like one time the stick, the toothpick, it go one time. After you turn the toothpick on the other side, and we see what happened.
Heard something.
See, look. Look. See like a bubble? All right, almost ready. Okay, now this dish over here, when I pick up, I put it right over here like this, the oil, it dried oil. And we got this, and that. All right. Right over here. Yeah, I think that now the oil will be ready. Yeah. And not put too many leaves at one time, okay? Make like maybe 5 or 6 or 7, but you put too much, have to start to stick together. And I got it right over here. Okay, now let's start the dip like this.
How long you think?
Well, you gotta watch it now. How long you gotta make a shoe. Okay, you gotta turn. Okay, you gotta be beautiful color, okay? All right. I put in the back, kind of wanted to let me go. Okay. Okay, and this is done.
It look good.
Yes. Okay. Now I bring it over here. Okay, we do the taste. This is nice, crispy. Look at that. Nice.
Real crispy. Is it hot?
Yeah, really good. It's crispy. E the salute cincin with the azzurro. Thank you very much. I hope somebody make this. Oh, it's really crispy. Look, listen. Really, really good. Thank you very much. I hope somebody make it and you let me know. Thank you.